Hello viewers. Welcome to IT Texture. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove watermark from PDF file for free. You don't have to register your Adobe Reader or any other softwares like Acrobat, etc. So let's start. Here I have a PDF file which contains a watermark of IT Texture. To remove watermark from a PDF for free, you have to install a software called PDF Exchange. To download PDF Exchange, go to the link given in description, and download the latest and official setup of PDF Exchange for free. After downloading and installing PDF Exchange, go to your Start menu, and search for PDF Exchange, and click on this icon. You can open your PDF file from the Open tab. Or just drag the PDF file on it. When a PDF file is saved, the text remains in text form, but the watermark is changed into vector or shapes form. Now, because we have to edit shapes, just go to Edit, and click on Shapes. It means that now you are in shape editing mode. You can also select other options if you want to edit other content like text, images, etc. After selecting Edit Shapes, click on your watermark, and press Delete. Repeat this for all watermarks. When all watermarks are removed, go to File, and click on Save. Now your PDF file is saved without watermark. Let me show you. You can see that there is no watermark in the PDF file. So this is how you can do this. If you like the video, press the like button. Subscribe the channel to never miss any updates. Also share it to others so they can take benefit of it. Take care, until we meet with the new